Hello everyone, this is Alvin Chua from mbacconsulting.com. These are the 3 biggest and most common mistakes that dental practice owners always make. So make sure to listen up. The first biggest mistake that many dental practice owners make is that they try to fill their books. That is correct. Trying to fill your books is a big mistake. Every dentist and every dental practice owner probably are telling you that you should be filling up your books, otherwise you are not considered successful. However, here is the thing that they did not tell you, or perhaps they don't understand, is that filling up your books does not make you more profitable. At the end of the day, what you can put in your pocket and put and deposit into your bank account is the net profits. Basically, your cash flow every month and every year. So what you need to do is to stop trying to fill your books, because not every type of patient will make you equally profitable. And so you want to focus on those high profit margin, basically high-end dental patients, so that you can actually be profitable without even needing a full book. Of course, if you fill up your books with high-end dental patients, then that will be fantastic. But don't try to fill up your books for the sake of filling up your books to grow your dental practice, because that is the wrong approach and the big mistake number 1. Big mistake number 2 is that many dental practice owners try to have more staff. They want to have more employees. They aim to have more employees. However, that is also another big mistake. Remember that every employee and every staff and every contractor that you have and you will ever have can cause you problems. Some will cause you very little problems, while some will cause you a lot of problems. So here's what you want to do. You want to have as few staff as possible and overpay those staff that you have. That should be your goal. You don't want to blindly get more staff and see it as a sign of a successful practice. No, it doesn't matter. You can have 10 staff, 10 office staff, not including your dentist, working at your dental practice. That does not necessarily mean that you are more successful and more financially profitable than perhaps your competitor who just has 5 staff but twice your profits. And the reason for that is also tied back to the mistake number 1. You don't want to fill up your books randomly. You want to get a high-end patients. So it means your profit margin is thick. And your staff needs to deal with fewer patients. So your profit margin is thick. Think about it. Your profit margins are thicker now. You have fewer staff and hence lower costs. So you can afford to pay all of them slightly more than what they really deserve. So to speak, you want to overpay your staff. This way, you will keep your staff happier, they'll be more satisfied, and they will be willing to stay with you longer, and they will be willing to work longer hours because they feel they are truly appreciated and overpaid. The third common mistake that many dental practice owners make when trying to grow their dental practice is that they try to depend on referral marketing. Perhaps you have heard this tip from every other dental practice owner out there, except for those really at the top. Now, keep in mind that referral marketing is very important if you want to be successful. You should provide excellent service, over the top, so good that patients will tell their friends, their families, and perhaps even strangers about your practice and why they should go to you. If you do that, fantastic. Unfortunately, in other words, also known as hope marketing, because you're basically praying that people will recommend you and your practice to their friends or family. There is no fixed and predictable way to get patients. Grow your dental practice, and to become truly successful and have your patients come in predictably, you need to have a predictable patient systems. You get in high-end dental patients like clockwork, and then you can reduce the amount of staff that you have because there's so much less workload that they need and you need to deal with, and you can overpay this staff. And this results in a win-win. First of all, you as a dental practice owner make more money. The second thing is you deal with less staff. The third thing is that the staff all of them will now be overpaid and definitely happier. And number 4, because you have fewer patients that you work on, you will be able to give each one of them more attention and better service. So it's a win-win situation. All you need to do to achieve that is to have a predictable high-end patient system. If you want to find out more about that, then check out the link in the description box below, where I share with you exactly a case study of how we can help you achieve that and how exactly you can install a predictable high-end patient system into your dental practice starting today. So I hope to see you soon again. If you did like this video, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe, where I'll share more such videos with you.